Ever wondered you can do an eggless bread in less than 3 minutes? Yes, so today we are doing a keto yeast bread which cooks less than 3 minutes. Let's go and see the recipe. Almond flour, 86 grams. Then I have isoline here, which is, I'm going to be taking 1 scoop or 22 grams. You can also go in for any unflavored protein. Next I have 6 grams of Zevic Stevia, 3 grams of active dry yeast, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon Xanthun Gum, pink Himalayan salt, and 100 grams of hot water. In a mixing bowl, first we're going to add our almond flour, that's 86 grams. To that we're going to add 6 grams of Zevic Stevia. Next we're going to add 3 grams of yeast. Then you have half a teaspoon of baking powder. Next we have Xanthun Gum, that's about 1/4 teaspoon. Next a pinch of pink Himalayan salt and 1 scoop or 22 grams of protein powder. Now using a spatula, I'm going to mix all the ingredients. And now we are going to add 100 grams of hot water to the same. Now we're going to take a baking dish. I have already sprayed baking oil on the same. You can also put butter or oil and grease the same. Now I'm going to add my bread mixture into the square utensil what I've taken. And I'm going to take utensil and I'm giving it a nice square, and we have given it a nice square shape. And now we're going to put in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. So once our bread is cooled at room temperature, you can see it's pretty hard now. So we are going to flip it over a chopping board and it's out. Now using a knife, I'm going to slice the same. Now using this, I'm going to make 4 nice slices. There you go. And our bread is ready, loaded with proteins and fiber. You could also toast the same on the pan and apply some butter. Warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and a keto yeast bread is ready. So benefits of the same: it cooks less than 3 minutes. It's eggless, that means a good source of protein for vegetarians. It's loaded with proteins and B vitamins and also has a healthy mix of good bacteria. I would like to thank Zevic Stevia for providing us the sweeteners. You can log on to their website, that is www.zevic.in. They have amazing range of sweeteners as well as awesome chocolates with stevia. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe our channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. Thank you and lots of love.